We'll grab a couple. We'll grab a couple more while we're here. I mean, it's 2:30, right? I mean, oh, sorry, Shrishti. Sorry, am I upsetting your afternoon? Am I, Shrishti? Feel free to leave at any time. I'll take over. Right, the Velocity 738. You know, I'm just having too much fun. Whoa! Oh no! Oh, he's had enough. He's out of here. See ya! Whooshka!
Velocity 1533, yeah, yeah. 1533, that's frequency, and approach. Velocity 15.
Mate, that wasn't a missed approach. The approach was right there. That was a slam it into the runway and get out the door. Wow. Let's have another crack. Yeah, he looked very unstable, didn't he? He was all over the shop, that one.